I think you and I are destined to do this forever.
What's up, everybody? And welcome back to another episode of Keep It Comics. As always, I am the host, C3. I'm glad you guys stopped by and checked out the channel. I just got some unboxings I want to share with you guys today. And if you hang around to the end of the video, I'm going to do a nice CGC reveal. Alright? So, I'm not going to keep you long. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and definitely make sure you ring that bell. So every time we do a video, you guys will get the notification. I'm super excited about all the boxes that we got. So let's just dive right on in. The first box I'm going to open is an AOK from our homie, my homie, your homie, a member of the Keep It Comics community. And I'm talking about One Shot Comics, man. He said that's a nice big box. And I can't wait to dive into it. So, you know the routine, ladies and gentlemen. Cue the music, but keep your clothes on. Let's do it. Alright? So we're gonna pop this puppy open. And he boxed it up real nice too. So I'm super excited about this. We appreciate you, One Shot, man. Thank you very much. We just hit this edge right here real good just to make sure. Definitely want to make sure I don't stab any of the comics. That would be disastrous. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we're in. Beautiful packaging job. Look at that. He knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. I might have to take a page from his book. Ah. Look at that. Yes. Absolutely. Right there. Very nicely done. Very nicely done. Put that there. Excuse me. Alright. One strip of tape. The others. Bring it all the way around. Because we don't need no mistakes. Painter's tape is friendly. So we don't need no mistakes. Painter's tape will still damage some books if left unchecked. Okay, so I can leave those. Alright, so I'm just going to be nosy real quick and see which end we want to start from. Alright, so we'll start from this end. And the first one we have, ladies and gentlemen, is the Free Comic Book Day Batman issue number 1. Super dope, super dope. The next one we have is Free Comic Book Day Spider-Man Venom issue number 1. And I know you guys may just be like, but they're just free comic book day books. No, ladies and gentlemen, it's the act of kindness. It's the love that counts. It's the fact that someone thought enough about us to just share some comics with us, man. That's what it's all about, right? So never look a gift horse in the mouth. The next book we got, oh, you're kidding me. Yes, look. Free Comic Book Day, Enter the House of Slaughter. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. We have Treese, Free Comic Book Day. I'm actually very, very interested in this book right here. So I really do have to take the time to sit down and read that one. Next up, we have Free Comic Book Day, Red Room. Red Room, another yellow cover. I love it. My yellow cover collection is going to be fire. Next, we have Avengers. The Avengers, issue number 1. Definitely. I like it. I like it. We have Star Wars, The High Republic, The Edge of Balance. The Edge of Balance, ladies and gentlemen. We all need to find that. The Edge of Balance. We all need to be at holy smokes, guys. Oh, man. Check this out. Stray Dogs. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Stray Dogs. We got some. Oh, I did not expect this cover to be so nice looking. That's dope. Stray Dogs. And we got a couple of them. Woo-hoo! Yes. Stray Dogs. And last, but definitely not least, we have Suicide Squad, King Shark, issue number 1. Yes. After watching Suicide Squad, I was very, very happy about the outcome, man. I enjoyed it all. I enjoyed every last bit of it. Suicide Squad was dope in my eyes. Listen, I'm finally glad DC put out something good, man. Just keep me motivated. All right? I got another one, guys. Let's keep going. But before I pop that open, let me say to the homie, One Shot Comics, thank you, sir. We appreciate you, bro. Thank you very much. You didn't have to do that. So I really appreciate that, bro. That's definitely keeping it comics. Definitely keeping it comics. I respect it. So we're going to pop open another one. All right? We're going to keep the party bus moving. Okay. We got some cards. Got some nice tape. I'm actually digging the fact that we getting these good tape jobs, man. All right? Now this is dope. So I can go ahead and explain myself. So as Ricky Ricardo would say, so I can explain myself. So you guys know how they did that free comic book thing, that whole Free Comic Book Day thing. Stray Dogs, Into the House of Slaughter, and I think it was another book that you could barely get your hands on because for some reason, nobody got them. I gotta be honest and tell you that FOMO kicked in, man. So I had pre-ordered one for myself. Right? Yes. Stray Dogs. That's just funny how that works out, man. Yep, I really appreciate it. I appreciate what One Shot Comics did for us. So somebody from the community is going to inherit some of these comics. Because I want to share the love just like the love was shared with me. We want to share the love, people. All right? Let's keep it moving. Got my trusty blade. Just pop it from the beginning. Put that down before we mess around and spill some blood up in here. Get murder on tape. Okay. Let's see what we got. Got the cardboard with some more tape. I have to split it again. This joint right here. That primitive tape job. Old school right here. I respect it. Took it back to the old school. Ain't nothing but some tape and some cardboard. Hit this tape spot. Oh, okay. Definitely happy about having this one. I know I did a new comic book day video where I was alerting you guys to this one. So I made sure I grabbed an extra copy for myself. And I'm talking about from Aftershock Comics. Cullen Bunn, who is one of my favorite writers. And I'm talking about Lucky Devil, issue number 1. I can't stress to you guys enough. Please do not sleep on Cullen Bunn. He's one of our most prolific writers of this time when it comes to comic book horror. So definitely keep your eye on Cullen Bunn. Alright? Lucky Devil, issue number 1. Happy to have it. Moving right along. And I know it may feel like I'm going fast. That's because I am. I just got out of class. I want to get something to eat, grab a shower, and I got to get to bed because I got work in the morning. But I definitely wanted to make sure I got this video out the way for us too, though. You know? So, you know how it is. Got a million things to do and not enough time to do it in. You know. Move that over there. Move this over here. Between two cardboards. Now, here comes the tricky part. Here comes the tricky part. Yeah. Wish me luck. I want to make sure that there's enough room away from the comic as I slice down. Because I definitely don't want to damage anything. Yo, this is insane, yo. I'm telling you, yo, FOMO is real. FOMO is real. FOMO is real. I'm just going to be honest. Hello, everyone. My name is C3, and I'm addicted to collecting comics. Yo, yes, Stray Dogs, guys. Another one. Don't worry, we're going to share. Some lucky members of the community will be getting some of those books. I panic. I got to keep it 100. I'm going to be honest. I panic. I do that sometimes. It's all good. Let's see what this baby is. Ooh. Okay. I think you guys all already know by my initial reaction. I know what's in this one. Got that crispy board. Crispy. This tape's so fresh. This tape's so fresh, it ain't even sticking to the, like they never even stuck it. Look, it's open. Look at that. Man, gotta love it. Look at that. That tape's so fresh. Can you see that? All right, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gents. Okay, guys. The COA, the Certificate of Authenticity. And this is Miles Morales, Spider-Man, issue number 29. And we have the Mike Mayhew variant. Now, how awesome is that? Leave a comment in the comment section. What do you guys think about this Mike Mayhew variant? Miles Morales, issue number 29. Can we get a good shot of that? Look at that, man. Holy smokes, yo. Yo, that is fire, yo. It's autographed, too. Signed by the man himself. Mike Mayhew, Miles Morales. Oh, man. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. Yes, people. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Actually, I'm going to put this one right here behind me, because that has to go in the top loader. Okay. I got one more box I want to open first. This box is a CGC. So, do me a favor, ladies and gentlemen. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you like this type of content, leave a comment in the comment section. Talk to me a little bit. All right? Let me know what it is, or let me know what it ain't. I appreciate each and every one of you. Let's do it. And I already know what this book is, but I just want to let you guys know that I have talked a lot about Cullen Bunn and these pieces of art that he's got coming through, these comics, you know, his work. But this is one particular book that really, really helped me appreciate the type of writer he was. So I grabbed this book knowing that I could get it for not a lot of money, right? Because remember, the whole name of the game is to buy them when they're inexpensive, right? So I waited, and I was able to grab this book for a little bit of nothing. And I'm talking about Cullen Bunn's Bone Parish, issue number 1. Look at that. What do you guys think about that? As a matter of fact, let me pull it out. And I grabbed it. It's in a 9.6. So my hopes, I'm actually hoping that I can crack this, right? And if possible, if I send it in to get a nice press on it, because I can see where the tick is, right there on the bottom. And if I can get that pressed out and resubmit it, can I get that 9.8? If you look right here in the bottom corner, I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there at the bottom. Just at the base of the book. If I can get that pressed out and resubmit it, I can get the 9.8 in this. And this is a beautiful book to have in the 9.8. And the story, mwah, magnifique. Just a beautiful, well-written horror story, man. Just, it's crazy. Like, so I'm going to go ahead and give you a little background on this. For those of you who've never read Bone Parish, right? Bone Parish is about a family of drug dealers. But they weren't just any type of drug dealers. They were like voodoo drug dealers. And their family secret was that the drug that they were selling was made from the crushed bones of dead people. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, dead folk. So whenever the drug was smoked, the people who used it started seeing the dead people's whose bones it belonged to. They started envisioning their lives or whatever tragic or horror that they was dealing with while they're high, right? So the drug was very, very well sought after. Like, everybody wanted to find this drug. So there was opposing drug dealers who wanted to make the same product for themselves because they didn't have the ingredient it actually needed to make the drug work. So, because they didn't know that the secret to the drug was you needed the bones of dead people to make it, right? So it was a family secret. But it's crazy, man. Like, the book, the read, oh man, awesome read. Cullen Bunn is a master at what he does. He's a master at his craft. Bone Parish, issue number 1. And a 9.6. I'm hoping that when I crack this, I can get it pressed and I can send it back in and get the 9.8 for it. Because you can clearly see why it got the 9.6. You can see it, man. And I know there's some pressers out there that can handle that for your boy. Right? Leave a comment in the comment section. What do you guys think about the Bone Parish? Have you ever read it before? What do you think about the book? I think it's a beautiful cover. I think it's just awesome, man. It's beautiful. And it had a bunch of variances with it, too, that were nice as well. But, you know, I like that cover A. Dope, yo. Yo, this is fire. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah. Gotta crack it, though. Gotta crack it. Gotta get it pressed and resubmit it. Leave a comment in the comment section. What do you guys think? All right? So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Those are the boxes that I got in the mail this week. Thank you for stopping by, checking out the channel. To all of you who are new to the channel, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Give your boy C3 a shot. I guarantee you, I won't let you down. I'm spontaneous. I like keeping it spontaneous. So I may pop up at any time of the day with a video, dropping something. Who knows? I'm around. I ain't going nowhere. All right? I gotta take my time, provide the community with the content that you guys deserve, and have fun while I'm doing it. That's my formula. All right? So, you know what I always say? Don't hate, congratulate. Show the people love, because that'll cost you nothing. Appreciate. But no matter what you do, ladies and gentlemen, always keep it comics. Peace. Later, baby.